Oh, no, 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 no. I stand where the ocean meets the sky. Heavy heart, but I still try. Memories all seem shadow in my mind, but I'm still here, I'm still alive. Me stop yet, me look him like Tawala loka uyorere itale Yaura ura natara. The wind is speaking soft and low, telling me it's time to go beyond the pain I used to know, where healing rivers gently flow. Beyond the horizon, what waits for me? Is it peace or new destiny? Will my broken heart be free, or will love return to me? Beyond the horizon, I hear a song singing you strong, you belong. You know, stop nighting, you got left. There is light beyond the pain. Some nights the memories come like rain, tears fall quiet deep with pain, but I whisper to my soul again, this is not where my story ends. Life emi save kambe inaivada vada vada uruana taura. I am more than what I've lost, more than scars I had to cross. Somewhere past the broken ground, new beginnings can be found. Beyond the horizon, what waits for me? Is it peace or new destiny? Will my broken heart be free, or will love return to me? Beyond the horizon, I hear a song singing you strong, you belong. You know, stop nighting, you got them. There is light beyond the pain. If I fall, lift me again, wash away the deepest pain. Let my heart learn how to trust, turn my sorrow back to dust. God, let me stop one time, me body tana my ho body dari uru. Beyond the horizon, I will stand, holding healing in my hands, not afraid of what I feel, because my future starts to heal. I see the light, soft and golden, breaking nights, and I know I'll rise again, free from sorrow, free from pain. Look beyond, breathe again. The horizon calls your name. You are not lost, you are becoming whole again.